Hello again, Loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to A Christmas in April. I haven't been able to really play along with this lately. So I have made several design teams and my focus is making sure that I have giving top quality to my design teams, right? So I get those done first and then I come back and play with all the other hops. So we've got all kinds of scraps here. And this is a scrap room kit from December. Oh, I love them both. Alright, we're gonna have to think of something. But I think what we'll do is we'll definitely come in and take off that branding strip first and foremost. Okay, and then let's cut that down, and then this one we're going to take by a half, and then again by a half, and by a half, and then by a half. All right. So we're going to make the most of what we've got left from this kit. Do I want it to be somehow I did that wrong. Did anybody else see that? Well, poopy pants. All right. So we're going to get that one. Do we like that one like that? And then this one over here. Do we like that? Or should we go like that? I like it that way. So let's get this to where we are centered, and this is 49th and Market, so ooh, we're super thick. I think it's 49th and Market. Could be wrong. All right. Okay, that one. And get that one. All right, so we do have a split in the middle. But we could put that there. And then I kind of want, let's see, what do we have that can fill the gap? So we could put there. Oh, we could do that. Let's do that. So I'm going to trim these down. I'm going to come in and mat my photos with this paper. I know you're thinking how, but I will show you. We're just going to trim this down and in lengths. Okay. All right, so let me get that done and I'll be right back. All right, so we've got that on there. So I did fussy cut around the lace piece and I just stuck that in to cover up my whatever I did that was completely wrong, which is a lot of things. So we've got that on there. I've got the photos matted. You see I cut them into little strips. The lovely Laura Alberts taught me that. So we're going to put them here, but I'm going to come in and we're going to put some of these rub-ons on. So this is going to go right about here. And this one is going to sit here. We're going to rub that down. And you just use rub-ons like, you know, normal people would use rub-ons. I've got my Teflon bone folder. From the days of when I was a card maker, this doesn't mar the paper. And I just ordered it from Amazon, you guys, so nothing is special there. Just put that little guy back there, and then I want to make sure that I do get this. I didn't want to, this it's going to be hidden. It would have been hidden under the photo. And so waste not, want not. So see, that's going to go right about there. And then we're going to take this guy. We're going to do him right over the top. So just kind of, it's just, you know, I like rub-ons. They're fun. I really wish I played with them more. And you just kind of keep going until you see where there's stuff missing. And you just keep rubbing it down. Fairly easy. Now, rub-ons do get old, so if you have them in your stash, you need to use them so you do not lose them. See, and that's a little fun, but it does actually really look like it was meant to be right there on the background. So we're gonna do the same down here, and we're just gonna tuck it in right about there. Use the flat to get it started. And then you're just gonna take the pointed piece, and we're gonna have that lap over, and I'm gonna find a spot where I can pick it up and kind of come in and I can't get it picked up. And you just keep going. Until everything is pretty. And it's really easy to just match it back up. And that one's done. And then put it back so we can kind of see what's going on. And this guy, we're going to want to put him right here. We're just going to press it down, and then let's just start pulling it back up to see, and we got it all. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and adhere this down. So this trick works real well when you don't have a full sheet, but just know that the more you do like that, you will have to put a piece of foam in the center there. So we're going to go ahead and get this on here somewhat straight. All right. And then we've got all these fun little, I have all kinds of scraps. So we could, I think we're just going to go ahead and toss those because this collection is done after this. Let's see what we have in here. And this is actually a different collection. So what we're going to do is just trim that off right there. I'm going to do one, Do a big cluster over there, and then we're going to do a smaller cluster over here. Maybe we should come down here. What do you think? All right, so that's kind of fun. Then we've got this cute little tag. We could pop there. For goodness sake. And pop that over there. Let's actually pop that up on some foam. So I think that would be, we got to get some sort of dimension in here because we're getting nothing, right? So we'll pop that up. You can bring, maybe get this under here as well. Kind of pop that there. This guy's going to sit here. That's going to kind of, and then, oh, there's all kinds of believe in magic. All right, so let me go ahead and kind of get some of this on here, and I'll be right back. All right, so we've got this stuff stuck down. I'm going to pull in, this is from a different collection, but I think it's cute nonetheless, and I really would like to try to come in here and just get a few more florals in here, right? Bring this stuff in. See what else we have. I don't think that's gonna work. Let's put Mary up here. I like this one that says favorite memory, so we're gonna stick that right on the photo as well. Okay. There is no pink, so that is not gonna work, but that's okay. I think that's all that's going to get in that one, so we'll just pop this into the next collection. And that's okay. We'll get rid of all our trash, but we are getting more on here. I think if we come in with some red stars, I think that would be a beautiful finishing touch. So we'll go ahead and add one here. We'll add one here and there. All right. Got one there. And then we're going to put one there. So don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along with A Christmas in April. It is put together by my lovely friend Moira. And I'm happy to be playing along this month. Excuse me. So that's going to do it. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, we would love to have you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, thumbs up button. Check out the Facebook group. If you would like to take a mixed media class with me, my next class will be at the end of June, and it is sponsored by the Trace Jolie Kit Club. So we'll be having a fabulous curated kit for the class. And that's going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I'll see you later. Bye.